Honeybee is widely distributed flying insect known for its ability to collect nectar from flowers and produce honey. In this video, I'm gonna tell you guys 10 very interesting facts about honeybee you didn't know. Let's get started. Honeybees are super important pollinators for flowers, fruits, and vegetables. This means that they help other plants grow. Bees transfer pollen between the male and female parts, allowing plant to grow seeds and fruits. Honeybees live in hives. The members of the hive are divided into three types: queen, workers, and drones. One queen runs the whole hive. Her job is to lay the eggs that will spawn the hive's next generations of bees. The queen also produces chemicals that guide the behavior of the other bees. Workers are all female and their roles are to forage for food, build and protect the hive, clean and circulate air by beating their wings. Workers are the only bees most people ever see flying around outside the hive. Drones are the male bees, and their purpose is to mate with the new queen. Several hundred lives in each hive during the spring and summer. But come winter, when the hive goes into survival mode, the drones are kicked out. What are these buzzing bugs most famous for? Of course, delicious honey. But did you know they produce honey as food stores for the hive during winter? Luckily for us, these efficient little workers produce 2 to 3 times more honey than they need, so we get to enjoy the tasty treat too. If the queen bee dies, workers will create a new queen by selecting a young larva and feeding it a special food called royal jelly. This enables the larva to develop into a fertile queen. Honeybees are fast flyers. They fly at a speed of around 25 km per hour and beat their wings 200 times per second. Each bee has 170 odorant receptors, which means they have one serious sense of smell. They use this to communicate within the hive and to recognize different types of flowers when looking for food. The average worker bee lives for just 5 to 6 weeks. During this time, she will produce around a 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey. The queen can live up to 5 years. She is busiest in the summer month when she can lay up to 2,500 eggs a day. Honeybees are also brilliant boogiers. To share information about the best food sources, they perform their waggle dance. When the worker returns to the hive, it moves in a figure of 8 and waggles its body to indicate the direction of the food source. Sadly, over the past 15 years, colonies of bees have been disappearing, and the reason remains unknown. Referred to as colony collapse disorder, billions of honey bees across the world are leaving their hives, never to return. In some regions, up to 90% of bees have disappeared. We can all do a bit to support these brilliant bugs, gang. Why not plant flowers rich in nectar, such as lavender and bluebells, which will help bees find the food they need. Also be sure to choose local honey too, which will support our honey bees and their beekeepers. Well, what did you think of these facts about honeybees? Let us know by leaving us a comment below. I will see you in next video with some another information and facts. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.